Page 6, Jingle Bells, a very famous piece at Christmas time. Again, I'll go through the system that I use to learn a piece of music. Let's see what we get. I look it over, I see it's 3 pages long. Keep that in mind. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. The time signature is 4/4 time, so now it's 4 counts in a measure, but we're still counting quarter notes. I see quarter notes, dotted half notes, whole notes, half notes. Everybody's here, okay. Since the hands are just playing one note, one hand at a time, I'll take both hands together. Left hand starts here. That puts the hand here. The right hand starts here. That puts the hand here. So we're here. And as long as we don't move around, you don't need the other finger numbers. I'm opposed to that. Ugh. So it's here. 1, 2, 3. Remember, dotted half note is the same as 3 quarter notes. So in 4/4 time, it gets 3 counts. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a whole note. Okay. So I go through the whole piece slowly and carefully. I get the notes working together, the hands working together. And then I go back over it however many times it takes and work out the hesitations. Also, you need to be able to play this without looking at the keyboard if you can, because you're not moving around. You want to remember where your fingers are. And then I'll add the dynamics. P at the beginning is piano for soft, whatever you think soft is. It depends on your situation. What is not super soft, just soft. When you get over to measure 9, remember the numbers at the beginning of the lines above the staff in the little boxes, those are measure numbers. So I can refer to measure numbers. Measure 9 is top of page 7. The dynamic there is MP, for mezzo piano, sort of soft. You start it soft and then sort of soft. You come up just a little bit. You're still on the soft side, just not as soft. I don't know, you have to feel this. What do you think soft and sort of soft is? But then when you get to the end of the second line, or measure 16 on the half note, you come up to moderately loud, and more mezzo forte, sort of loud. So we got a little louder still. Not loud, just sort of loud. And you stay that way for the rest of the piece. And then once I do that, I think about the speed. This is a happy piece, but you need to be able to play it with no hesitations. Somewhere in there, depends on how much coffee I've had to drink. Now we have a little problem here in the page turn. We have to turn the page. We have to figure out how to do that. See, I've heard people in our local piano club, when they get up and perform and they're reading music, when they have to turn the page, they'll stop, turn the page, and then go on. Please don't do that if you can help it. No. The beat has to be a steady beat. That page turn has to be worked out so you can turn that page without messing up the beat. So we have to figure out a way to turn this page without messing up the beat. Well, you have to do it quickly, of course. And at the bottom of page 7, you have the whole note. So immediately after you play the left hand C, reach up and turn the page as you're doing that. As you're doing those notes, turn the page with the left hand real quick. That way you're ready to go on. Might take practice. We do practice page turns if we have to. I mean, there's different ways of approaching page turn. I mean, your first choice is simply to memorize the piece. You don't have to worry about it. Or at least memorize maybe page 8. You don't have to worry about it. Or if there's somebody there, like a teacher, somebody, they can turn the page for you. You don't have to worry about it. But if nobody's around, you got to do it yourself, and it's not memorized. And this is where you got to figure out how to turn the page without messing up the beat. That's what I recommend. Remember the natural accents. The first beat of a measure is the strongest one, and in 4/4 time there's another one on beat 3. So you kind of feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel these as you're going through. Exaggerate them if you have to. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Feel these. I'm exaggerating them so you can hear them better. But really, you just feel these. Get into the music and feel it. That way you can start feeling the dynamics too. If it's just going to be note, 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 then let a computer do it. copy me, please. It's just one way of doing it. You don't have to go that fast. I've had a little bit of coffee, so I'm feeling it. We'll see what time of day it is or whatever. It depends on how. I play as I feel, so just who knows. When you can play it all 3 pages, at least slowly with no hesitations, then come back to the video and let's play it together slowly. I put the starting point of the Play With Me section of all the videos in the description so you can come back and go right to it when you need it. Although it wouldn't hurt to listen to the lesson again. Now I can't do a page turn in this Play With Me thing. So we're going to do pages 6 and 7 and then I'm going to stop. I'm going to turn the page. I'm going to give us another 4 counts. Count us in again and then we'll do page 8. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms. So I'm not doing louds and softs, just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. That's 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop and turn the page. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. There's a duet at the bottom. I'd like to play that. And you play what you just played. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, just a little. And I need you to go up on the keyboard again. So just pretend that middle C instead of here is up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it up here. Now, I'm not going to stop for the page turn here. We're just going to play it all the way through, so you got to be able to turn that page without messing up the rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go.